In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Metaobjects on Shopify, a fantastic new feature that adds a layer of customization to your e-commerce store. Whether you're looking to organize your data more effectively or add complex data types to your store, Metaobjects can be incredibly powerful. So let's get started and explore how you can utilize this feature in just a few steps. First, navigate your way to the admin dashboard of your Shopify store. It's your go-to place for all things related to managing your store, and it's here where we begin our Metaobjects journey. Once you're in the dashboard, locate and click on the Content option. This section allows you to manage various types of content and will serve as our gateway to setting up Metaobjects. Now, click on Add Definition. We're creating a new Metaobject definition, which essentially means setting a blueprint for the type of data you'll be working with. Once you hit Add Definition, you'll need to type in a name. Consider this the identifier for your meta object. You want it to be clear and descriptive, especially because it will be key when you later search or reference this specific meta object. With the name set, you'll then add a description. Descriptions help clarify the purpose of the meta object, providing additional context not only for yourself, but maybe even other team members who might be interacting with the setup further down the line. Once your description is entered, go ahead and click on Add Field. Fields are the core elements of any meta object, representing pieces of data that you'll be using. Here's a handy tip. When you click Add Field, you'll see various options appear. You can select from data types, which allows you to define what kind of information this field will hold, such as text, numbers, or even a related product. Choose the type based on what accurately fits your needs. After selecting the type, click on Product if your field relates to an item in your store. With the product field set up, it's time to name your field. Pick a name that effectively describes the data, as this helps avoid confusion when you're managing multiple fields. Alongside the name, add another description just like earlier to clearly outline what this field represents in the broader context of your meta object. You may want to consider using the field as a filter in the meta object index. Doing so can facilitate finding and sorting through your data in the future. Also, decide if this field is a required one, which is an option you can choose during setup if you want to make this a mandatory data entry point. Once all your fields are named, described, and configured to your satisfaction, go ahead and click Add to finalize this step. It's a good moment to consider any additional options you might want to explore. Shopify gives you the ability to choose what suits your store's needs the best, so don't hesitate to take a moment here. Finally, once everything looks good, the last and arguably most crucial step is to click Save. This finalizes your meta object definition, readying it for use in your store, operations, or customized features. And there you have it. With these steps, you've effectively incorporated meta objects into your Shopify store, enhancing its depth and functionality significantly. Happy organizing, and thanks for watching.